Imagine effortlessly peeling away old vinyl, revealing a perfectly preserved surface beneath. No more paint damage, no more sticky residue, just a clean, professional finish. This video is your ultimate guide to mastering paint-safe vinyl removal, saving you time, money, and the headache of costly repairs. Get ready to transform your restoration projects with confidence.
Tired of scraping, scrubbing, and leaving behind sticky residue when removing vinyl? Prepare to have your mind blown. We are about to show you how a simple heat gun can turn the most frustrating vinyl removal job into a satisfyingly smooth process. Get ready to discover clever techniques that guarantee a perfectly clean surface, transforming your wrap removal game forever.